Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a very clean 2011 Buick Lucerne CXL. Stock number Z9529B. Only 79,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. White diamond in color. The Lucerne is in the large car class. Seat 6. Leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Large trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Body is free of dents or dings. This CXL has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, heated seats, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Cup holders. Storage in the center seat, otherwise up and out of the way for a middle passenger. And a large glove box with the owner's manual. Under the hood, this Lucerne has a 3.9 liter V6, 227 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. For more information on this Lucerne, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.